In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!